Welcome to Step 5 of the Full Body Cleanse, the third liver cleanse. It's estimated that the average person's liver operates at around 15% efficiency, limiting their ability to fight disease. This third 6-day liver cleanse will help boost your liver and gallbladder efficiency to help you enjoy thriving health, continue your healthy diet, and taking supplements to stimulate your liver and soften buildup, followed again by a toxin-purging flush. A disease-free body with more energy and an elevated well-being are on the horizon. Days 1 to 4 include 6 ounces of extra virgin olive oil bump 1 bottle that stimulates bile production, oxy powder that promotes toxin elimination, 2 ounces of liver health that cleanses the liver and provides antioxidant support, 2 ounces of turmeric, and a packet of Epsom salt that relaxes the bile ducts to help flush the liver. Be sure to eat plant-based foods that support the liver. Move on to Step 5 Part 2 to complete days 5 and 6 of this liver cleanse in the next video.